Hi kids, how are you? Are you all fine? Yes, okay. I hope you all are fine and staying safe at your home. Isn't it? Yes. Okay, do you know me? No? Okay, I'll tell about myself. My name is Anjusha Akil and I'm from Calicut. Now, I want to know about you also. Are you ready to introduce yourself to me? Yes? Okay, then all of you stand up. Yes, very good. Now tell your name. But don't say your name like this. Something interesting should be there, no? Yes. For that, you should clap your hands and then say your name. Okay. Okay, I'll show. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Anjusha from Calicut. So, I introduce myself to you. Now, you want to introduce yourself to me. Okay, ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, very good. You all are very good students. So, do you know why I am here now? No? Okay, I am standing here to take English for you. Are you happy to learn English? Yes? Very good. So, do you like English? Yes? Okay. So, can we start a journey? Okay, so I think in the previous class you are dealing with the chapter Pinocchio, isn't it? Yes. So I want to check your previous knowledge, how much you know about the story. Okay. So for that I will be asking some questions to you. Okay. Okay, the first question, what's the title of our chapter? Pinocchio. Very good. Yes, the title of our chapter is Pinocchio. Next, who's the author? Who wrote the story? Do you remember his name? Yes or no? Yes? Then tell me. Carlo Collodi. Yes. Do you know how to write his name? It is Carlo Collodi. Yes. Now, who made Pinocchio? Yes, Pinocchio was made by a carpenter named Geppetto. Then, how did he got life? Yes, Geppetto made this Pinocchio for a puppet show and he got life. Yes, very good. Is this Pinocchio is a naughty or a good boy? Is he a good boy or a naughty boy? Naughty boy. Yes. Why you are saying he is a naughty boy? His father gave him money to buy books and he used it to go to puppet show. So we know that he is an irresponsible boy. Yes. And also he did many mischiefs. Okay. So I understood that you all are familiar with the story. Now we want to go to our read and answer section, no? You want to study the question answers, no? Yes? Say yes loudly. Yes. Okay. So, now we can take our textbook and discuss the question answer section. Okay. Now, you are ready with your textbooks, right? Yes. Take page number 5. Yes. In page number 5, you can see the read and answer section. Here, the first part is to choose the correct option for the following. Okay, I will ask question and you will give answer to me, no? Yes. Okay, the first question is, Pinocchio was made by 3 options are there. The first one is the Blue Fairy. Second one, Geppetto. Third one, the Ringmaster. Who made Pinocchio? Yes, Pinocchio was made by Geppetto. So, you want to put a tick in the second box. Put a tick in the second box. Ready? Yes. Now, we can go to the next question. Pinocchio's father gave him money. For what? For what he gave money? Yes, 3 options are there. to buy a book, to go to Funland, to give to the blue fairy. For what he gave this money? Yes, the first option is the right one. To buy a book. Then put a tick in the first box. Ready? Yes. Now the next question. Pinocchio and his friends were turning into dash. They were turning into cats or monkeys or fox or something. We can look the options. Cats, foxes, donkeys. Which one is the right answer? Yes, the third one is the right answer. Donkeys. Then put a tick in the third box. Did you put a tick in the third box? Yes. Okay, now we can go on to the next question. Pinocchio saw his father coming on a dash. Is it on a boat or on a sheep or at the back of a monkey or a donkey? Which one is right? Okay, you are saying the right answer. The answer is the second option, sheep. Put a tick in the second column. Ready? Now you choose the correct option for the following section, no? Yes. Now we can go on to the second question. That is, complete the table given below using the informations provided in the text. So 2 columns were given there. Can you see? Yes? Okay, what was the heading in the first column? Naughty acts of Pinocchio. And what was the heading of the second column? Who or what made him to do that? Okay, can we discuss it? Are you ready? Yes. Okay, the first one, missed school. So, you want to answer me, okay? Pinocchio missed school, no? Yes. What made him to do that? Yes, puppet show. Very good. So, right? Puppet show. Next, B. Buried coins. Who made him to do that? Yes, a cat and fox. Yes, the answer is a cat and a fox. Then what is the next one? Ran away to an island. Who ran away to an island or who made him to run away to an island? Yes, a boy. The answer is a boy. Okay, I think you got the second question also. Now can we move on to the third one? Yes. How was Pinocchio made? How was Pinocchio made? Can you say the answer? Yes? Then say it. Okay. Now I will say, okay. So, Pinocchio was made out of wood by a carpenter named Geppetto. Okay. Pinocchio was made out of wood by a carpenter called Geppetto. Okay? Yes. Now, the next question. Every time you tell a lie, your nose will grow longer and longer. Okay? Every time you tell a lie, your nose will grow longer and longer. So, the first question there is, who is the speaker? Whose words are these? Who's the speaker here? Geppetto. No. Think again. Yes, you are right. The blue fairy is the answer. Yes. Now, whom does the speaker say this to? To whom the speaker say these words? Yes, it is to Pinocchio. So, the answer is Pinocchio. Next, why does the speaker say this? Why does the speaker say this? Yes, he says, lie to the blue fairy. Yes, very good. That is the answer. Now, can we move on to the fifth question? Yes? Okay. How did Pinocchio enjoy himself on Fun Island? How did he enjoy himself on the Fun Island? Yes, Pinocchio enjoyed himself on the Fun Island by tossing the ball by riding bicycle and swimming. Okay? Yes. Now the next question is, what did the ringmaster make Pinocchio do? What did the ringmaster make Pinocchio do? Yes, you know the answer, no? Now then say, yes. Okay, I will say, the ringmaster made Pinocchio work and do trick at the circus. Yes, that is the answer. Okay, now we can take the next page. Yes, seventh question. Why was the blue fairy happy with Pinocchio? How did she reward Pinocchio in the end? Yes, do you know the answer? Why was the blue fairy happy with Pinocchio? Yes, the blue fairy was happy with Pinocchio because he take care of Jack when he was ill. So, she rewarded him by turning him into a real boy. Okay, got the answer? Yes. So, our read and answer section is over. Now, can we go on to think and answer section? Here you want to think and then answer me, okay? Yes. First question. Do you think Pinocchio was a responsible boy? Is he a responsible boy? Yes, you are right. He is not a responsible boy. Why? Yes, his father Geppetto gave him some money to buy a book. Instead of buying a book, what he did? He used it to go for a puppet show. Yes, so the answer is no, he is not a responsible boy because he used the money which his father gave to buy a book. He used it to go for a puppet show. Okay? Yes. Then the next question. There are good and bad characters in the story. Why do you think is the best and who is the worst? Give one reason for your answer. Who is the best character in the story? You are saying Blue Fairy? Okay, why? Yes, Blue Fairy is the best character in the story because she rewarded him by turning him into a real boy when he take care of his father when he was ill. Okay, then who was the worst character in the story? Pinocchio. Okay, you can write Pinocchio because he is an irresponsible boy and he used the money which his father gave to buy a book to go for a puppet show, and without going to school he went to Fun Island and all. Okay? Okay. Now it is time for you to do an assignment. Are you ready to do the assignment? Yes? Okay. Now the third question is an assignment for you. What is the question? We can look. As you sow, so shall you reap. If you do bad things, then bad things will happen to you. But if you do good things, then good things will happen to you. When Pinocchio was being naughty, he got into trouble. Do you agree? Yes or no? Okay, do it as your assignment, okay? And give one example for it also, okay? Okay, so I hope you got all the question answers in the read and answer section and in the think and answer section. So, will you forget to do the assignment which I gave? Okay, you will do it now? Yes. So, in the next class, while you are coming here, you should do it, okay? So, till then, bye.